Hi guys, I'm Ali Reynolds, Johnnie Walker Scotch Whisky Ambassador, and today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Johnnie Walker Highball. The Highball is a fantastic cocktail used to highlight the amazing flavours within Scotch whisky. The whisky I've chosen today is Johnnie Walker Black Label, a whisky created from the finest single malts and grain whiskies from the four corners of Scotland. The soda I'm using today is London Essence's Peach and Jasmine. First thing you'll need is a nice tall highball glass. Add your 40 ml of Johnnie Walker Black Label. Fill the glass with ice. Top with your ice cold London Essence Peach and Jasmine soda. And finally garnish a nice sprig of thyme and a slice of lemon. Cheers.